Now you are going to learn least common multiple of polynomials. Least common multiple means that is the LCM. For normally least common multiple LCM means the product of common factor and independent factor. Now the least common multiple of two or more algebraic expression is the expression of the highest degree or power. Highest degree means the greatest power of the polynomial, such that expressions exactly divided it. So for example, consider the following simple expressions: a cube b square, another one term a square b cube. So that is, in these two we have to compare for what is given in the definition. Highest degree we consider as the LCM. For it is, now we have a two variables a b. For here also a b. First you have to compare for powers of a. For here a cube a square. So highest power, which is highest power, a cube. So a cube. Then you have to compare for b. So here b square, here b cube. So highest is b cube. So the expression for these two expression LCM is a cube b cube. For it is, normally it is given directly. We have to find that. For suppose we want to find the another sum of the expressions, we have to follow the rules for to find LCM by factorization method. For each expression is first resolved into its factors. For any of the expressions are given, we have to make it as a factors. Factors means it is product of two numbers or two expressions. The highest power of the factors will be the LCM. Highest power is the factor of the LCM. If the expressions have numerical coefficients, find their LCM. For these two terms have coefficient is 1. So the LCM of 1 is 1. Suppose we have other than 1, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, or in any negative numbers are there, we have to find the LCM for that coefficients. Then the product of LCM of factors and coefficient is the required LCM. We want to find the factors for the coefficients and the terms. So that is, and the terms in the sense the expressions. Their coefficients, the product of LCM of factors and coefficients is the required LCM. Students, already you are learned in the lower class LCM and GCD. For that is only for numerals. Now you are going to learn, it is for a LCM of some of the expressions and coefficients. For expressions, how you have to find common, that is a common highest power, and remaining also we have to consider common highest power and remaining also. It is a hints for you. The second problem of the exercise 3.2, find the LCM of given expressions: 4x square y, 8x cube y square. Second problem, 9a cube b square, 12a square b square c. Third problem, 16m, 12m square n square, 8n square. For fourth one, p square minus 3p plus 2, p square minus 4, 2x square minus 5x minus 3, 4x square minus 36. This is fifth problem. Sixth problem, 2x square minus 3xy whole square, 4x minus 6y whole cube, 8x cube minus 27y cube. For these problems, for these 6 problems, we have to find the LCM. For first 3 problems have the same method. For fourth, fifth, sixth have the another method. It is a factorization method. For these 3 is a factorization method. For first 3 problem, directly you have to find the LCM for the coefficients and that variables. For here also coefficients and variables, coefficients and variables. First problem, 4x square y, 8x cube y square. Here the two expressions coefficients, it is 4, it is 8. First you have to find the LCM of 4, 8. It is a normal method. For normally we used to prime numbers for the prime factorization method. For LCM and GCD, you no need to use the prime numbers. What is the common factor that you have to use? So that is 4 is possible. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 1 time 1 time. So LCM means that is a product of common factors. So LCM is equal to 4 into 2. So product of common factor and independent factor. So that is 4 into 2 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1, for that is the same. We get the same number. So it is 4 into 2, 8. Then first you write the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Then now you have to find for the variables, that is x square, x cube. We have to find a greatest power, so that is x cube. Y and y square, for you have to find a greatest power, that is y square. So the LCM of 4x square by 8x cube y square is 8x cube y square. The second problem, minus 9a cube b square, 12a square b square c square. For here minus is there, that is not a problem. You have to consider the coefficients without sign. So that is 9, 12. You have to find a LCM for 9 and 12. So 9 and 12 you have to find, that is first 3 is a common divisor. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Then 3, 1 3 is 3. The 4 just taken, right? Next directly you have to take a fourth table, or 2 1 2, then again 2. For LCM means the product of common factor and independent factor. So that is LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 into 2, 36. So here the product of the numbers here minus is there, only one minus, so answer is minus. So minus 36 into, for the variables, what are the variables here? A, B, C. For highest power of A is A cube. Highest power of B is B square. For here also B square, here also B square. So B square. For C, for here no C variable. Here C is there. For it is all the terms we have to consider. All the product value, all the factors we have to write. So that is A cube, B square, C. So that is the LCM. Now the LCM of these given expressions equal to minus 36 A cube B square C. Now the third problem, 16m, 12m square n square, 8n square. So you have to find a LCM for 16, 12, 8. I am using here fourth table. So 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then 2. 2 2s are 4. This 3 taken, right? 1 2 is 2. Then 2 table, 1 time 3 1. For 3 is not divided by 2, so just taken, right? Next 3 1 1 1. For what are the numbers not divisible, just you taken, right, below the next step, below that number, next step. So LCM equal to product of these numbers, that is 4 into 2 into 2 into 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3, 48. So LCM of 16m, 12m square, n square, 8n square. The coefficients LCM already we found, that is 48. Now the variables m and n. So power of m is, highest power is m square. So m square. N, the highest power is n square. For here the same, n square. For it is n square. So 48 m square, n square. Fourth problem, p square minus 3p plus 2. So it is a quadratic expression. So you have to use a I factor. For it is the product value. For it is adding value. So product value you write at the top. Adding value you have to write at the bottom. It is the product value I factor. You know well, for you are learned in 8th standard and 9th standard. So you don't worry about it. For we need a product value to some value minus 3. So 1, 2 is 2. We need minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2. Minus into minus plus. For you have to add same sign. For when we are add, we have to consider same sign or different sign. So same sign you have to add, then you take and write the same sign. So now this factor minus 1 and minus 2 satisfies multiplication and addition. So the factors p minus 1 into p minus 2. The one more expression, p square minus 4. This 4 is a square numbers. This 4 is rewritten as 2 square. So it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it is p plus 2 into p minus 2. Now you have to compare these two factors. For it is LCM means common factor and independent factor. Product of common factor and independent factor. So now you have to check the common factor p minus 1. No, p minus 1 is there. So common factor is p minus 2, p minus 2. Take and write. That is one time only how to write p minus 2. Then independent factors, what are they? P minus 1 into p plus 2. So product of common factor is p minus 2. Independent factors p minus 1 and p plus 2. You have to write in order. That is p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p plus 2. So listen once again. LCM means you have to write common factor and independent factor. Common factor p minus 2, p minus 2 common. Then 2 times is there. So you have to take and write one time only. Then independent factors p minus 1 into p plus 2. Fifth problem, for two expressions, 2x square minus 5x minus 3, it is a one expression. Another one expression, 4x square minus 36. First, you have to find the factor of this quadratic expression. For quadratic expression, we have here the coefficient is 2. So, you have to make multiple for these two. It is the product value, that is minus 6. 3 into 2, 2 into minus 3, it is minus 6. Then the sum value is minus 5. So, we want to find the values for 1, 6 of the factors. 1, 6 is 6. 1, 6 is 6. It satisfies 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. We need minus 5. So, greater number you give a minus symbol. So, the factors 1 and minus 6. So, first you are in the beginning you have to, you made multiplication with 2. So, then finally after finding the factor you have to divide it by 2. So, for it is 1 by 2 minus 6 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So, the factors, what are the factors? 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. These two are factors. For these two are factors, how you write this? For it is x plus 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. So, that is, for that is equal to, how you write this? 2x plus 1, 2x minus 3. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 3. It is just multiple with this x. It is not considered as a LCM. Just this 2 multiple with x for this. So, the factors 2x plus 1 into, sorry, for here 2 is cancelled. I made mistake, sorry. For 1 and minus 6 only. So, 1, 3 is there. So, for it is x minus 3. Suppose it is a fraction, we have to do like that. Okay. So, it is x minus 3. So, the factors for here, once again listen, it is minus 6 and here minus 5. 1 and minus 6 divided by 2. For here cancelling is possible. So, it is 3. So, x plus 1 by 2, x minus 3. For this 2 multiple with this x. So, that is 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. The second expression 4x square minus 36. So, 4 is common. You have to take outside. So, that is x square minus 9. So, for it is, this 9 is written as 3 square. For it is in the form a square minus b square. So, 4 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. It is a, it is b. A plus b into a minus b. Now, you have to compare for these factors and these factors. First, you have to check common factors. What are the common factors? X minus 3, x minus 3. It is a common factor. And what are the independent factors? 2x plus 1, 4 and x plus 3. So, you have to write the common product of common factor and independent factors. So, 4 into 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. Product of it is common factor. These are independent factors. Sixth problem, 2x square minus 3xy whole square and 4x minus 6y whole cube. For here, the x is common. For here, x is common. You have to take outside. For here, x is common means, you know, so how you take outside? For x taken outside means here remaining 2x minus 3y whole square. For it is 3y square is common for these 3. So, now For you have to apply the square, it is x square into 2x minus 3y whole square. For it is in the form, you want to check it is any identities are possible, you have to check. For x square into 2x minus 3y, it is in the form, which form? A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. For when we are using the identity, it is useful, we will use, otherwise just you keep it what we found here. So that is for x square into 2x minus 3y whole square. The second expression 4x minus 6y whole cube. So for here 2 is common. For 2 is common means what is that meaning? 2 into 2x minus 3y whole cube. So that is 2 cube into 2x minus 3y whole cube. For this problem, you no need to use the identities. Okay, third expression 8x cube minus 27y cube. It is a cubic number. This is also cubic number. So 2x whole cube, 3y whole cube. For we get the previous two expression, we get the factors 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. So here you have to apply the identity. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. It is a, it is b. So 2x minus 3y into 2x whole square. So that is 4x square. AB. So that is 2x into 3y. 6xy. B square 3y whole square. That is 9y square. So now for you have to check the LCM for these factors, and these. For it is first which is a common 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Which is the for this, which is the highest factor? 2x minus 3y whole cube. Next remaining for in the independent factors, what are they? 2 cube x square into for 4x square plus 6y plus 9y square. So LCM 2 cube x square, 2x minus 3y whole cube, 4x square plus 6y plus 9y square.